Hello, everyone. My name is Haley Dunagin, and I am a psychology student at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette. And our current study examines the utility of the theory of planned behavior for predicting bystanders' intentions to intervene. For sexual assault prevention, a promising method that has been used is bystander intervention training. And a particular behavioral theory that has shown to predict behavior in multiple contexts is the theory of planned behavior. The theory of planned behavior shows that attitudes, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control, which I will be referring to as PBC from now on, can predict behavioral intention. So, for our current study, we used a modified version of the Sexual Assault Bystander Behavior Questionnaire to assess subjective norms, attitudes, PBC, and intentions to intervene. So, for each of these variables, we use different items to assess them, and I will be giving an example of each of the items that was used. So, for subjective norms, we asked the participants to indicate how much they believed that their good friend would approve or disapprove of an action that they engaged in. For attitudes, we asked how unhelpful or helpful they believed an action was. And for PBC, we asked how easy or difficult they thought that performing each of these actions would be. So these items assessed intervention actions before and during an assault. So some intervention actions that could happen before an assault would be confronting your friend who says they plan on getting someone drunk to have sex. And an intervention action that would happen during an assault would be interrupting a situation where you walk in on someone forcing your friend to have sex. So for our results, we have our descriptive statistics for the variables shown in table 1, as you can see in the middle bottom of the screen. And we used a multiple regression model, and it proved to be significant. Attitudes, subjective norms, and PBC all positively predicted bystander intentions to intervene. And if you direct your attention to the middle of the screen where figure 1 is, you can see that subjective norms was the most significant at 0.35, followed by PBC at 0.21 and attitudes at 0.14. This current study supports past research that suggests that bystanders can engage in both primary and secondary interventions. However, our study does include some limitations as we did not assess intervention behaviors that can happen after an assault, and current analyses did not include behavioral engagement either. So, for necessary future research, we would need to examine how situational context may differentially influence bystanders' intention to intervene in order to prevent sexual assaults in the future. Thank you.